Hello viewers, today we will see lottery scams. What exactly these lottery scams are? Lottery scam is nothing but the fraudsters will send you like you own some lottery, so there is a prize money for you. You have to redeem it by paying some nominal taxes and all. So this is small type. So the modus of operandi of this lottery scams are like initially they will circulate huge messages through WhatsApp or SMSs that you have own KBC or XYZ lottery, or you have selected in 150th anniversary of this Tata Motors and all. Nowadays we are seeing all these lottery scams that you have won this lottery award something. So what they do, they send lot of bulk messages and in WhatsApp and SMSs. They keep on calling. So recently we also received one KBC lottery fraud. He just created a nice newsletter, like a news letterhead, and posing that you have won this, and immediately you have to contact so and so manager for this KBC to redeem your 30 lakhs of KBC lottery. So this has received to his mobile WhatsApp as a message, and in the image audio clip. So he opened and seen, and he found that something is there. Then immediately they have contacted our toll free number. What exactly the KBC lottery fraud is? He is saying that now we are choosing based on your customer, like you have a service provider like Airtel, Jio, or Vodafone Idea something. So as part of your service provider, we have chosen you as a your number we choose as posting this lucky lottery, and you won 30 lakh rupees. You just have to pay only taxes to get this amount. Then they share a link. They will call. If you agreed, then immediately they will on the job. They will call you. They will ask you so many details to fill in. Then slowly they will start asking you to pay taxes, a nominal taxes. Initially they will ask only 500 rupees or 2000 rupees. So it is very small amount. For comparing to 30 lakh rupees, 5000 is very small amount. So we will immediately pay. So then again they start asking, no sir, we received some our manager is asking to pay some more amount, something like that. So they continuously trap you to pay nominal amounts by saying a taxes or redeem service charges, so and so. They'll keep on asking you so much money. In turn you will lose your money. Not getting that lottery amount, you in turn you lose your money from odd earned money from your bank account. So this is a kind of lottery fraud. You have to be very careful when you receive such messages to your mobile. I will tell you the security tips how to safeguard yourself from these kind of lottery frauds. When you receive any lottery name and a link, never click on such links and never attend such phone calls, or never show your interest to get that amount, because we all know that nothing comes for free. If you are greedy, you definitely lose your money. In this cyber world, we have to be very careful. Never ever, no one will give you anything for free, and these lucky lotteries are only trapping you, not giving you any money. So be careful, never click on any such links, be aware, be secure. If you get any such message, to get the information, call to our toll free number 1800 425 and 6235, and never circulate such messages if you receive in your WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other messenger platforms. Be aware and be secure. Stay safe. Thank you.